If you want to prevent someone from accessing your files on Google Drive, you can block them by adjusting the sharing settings. Follow these steps to effectively block someone from your Google Drive. Step 1. Open Google Drive. Go to Drive Google.com and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This will take you to your Google Drive homepage where you can see all your files and folders. Step 2. Locate the file or folder. Find the specific file or folder that you want to restrict access to. You can use the search bar at the top of browse through your drive to locate it. Step 3. Access sharing settings. Right-click on the file or folder and select Share from the context menu. This will open the sharing settings window where you can see who currently has access. Step 4. Remove the user. In the sharing settings, look for the person you want to block. Click on the drop-down menu next to their name and select Remove. This action will revoke their access to a file or folder. Step 5. Save changes. After removing the user, make sure to click Done to save your changes. The person will no longer have access to the file or folder, effectively blocking them. By following these steps, you can easily manage who has access to your files on Google Drive. If you need to adjust sharing settings in the future, just repeat the process.